triangle. This is a triangle, and this is a circle. This is a circle. That's a circle.
It is?
Yes, it's like a circle. Like a circle.
What are the other shapes you see?
Letters or words. When my little rectangle. And this is a circle, this is a square.
No. What's this one?
A triangle with bananas.
You're right.
It's a cheese.
And Cameron, that's an oval.
It got ducks in it. Baby suckers.
Yeah.
What's this?
That's a duck and babies.
That's duck and babies. And two babies are swimming in the water.
And those are trees.
And this is about on the tree. Kids can get them.
What's on the tree?
Apples.
All right. What's on the next page?
I don't know. It's dark.
Look it's a barn.
They are sleeping. They need pillow. They need pillows.
That's a good point.
2 pillows. And there's a donkey. One donkey. Oh, Daddy?
What did the donkey do to Daddy?
Eat it. It's not yummy.
What did the donkey do to Daddy?
Eat your finger.
He ate my finger, huh?
It's not yummy.
No, it's not yummy. It hurt Daddy.
Yes.
That silly donkey. What should a donkey normally eat?
Eat grass.
That's right, not Daddy's finger.
No, they eat grass. There's something yummy.
They should try to eat something yummy next time, not Daddy's finger.
It's yummy. It's yummy. I can get some grass. I can get some grass.
Yes.
Just give grass in the cup. Grass in the cup. Oh, this.